Happy Friday, my friends. Happy holidays to all. I wanted to drop this message to all my digital nomads that are out there. And over the years, I've gotten a chance to meet several highly successful digital nomads that make a living working from anywhere, any place, and selling their products, from e-commerce to investments to you name it. I've met digital nomads. And it's a certain type of breed to, want to work from a remote place, because mostly everybody, wants to go and be at a place, work at a place in order for them to stay motivated and stay on top of their sales. But for digital nomads, what fuels us is the freedom of our schedule and our environment where we find ourselves. And at least for me, I could say that from 2012, I've definitely embraced the digital nomad lifestyle, because I was able to move back to my hometown in Northern California, rural Northern California, and be able to still maintain the level of success that I had selling insurance, but now doing it 100% over the telephone. And let me tell you what, it's been over a decade, and it's just getting easier and easier now compared to when I started back in 2012 on the telephones, pushing hard, selling final expense for Senior Life Insurance Company. But you know what? The reason it's a lot easier today is because, one, we got better technology, but more leads. Digital marketing has been amazing for lead generation compared to 20 years ago when I was selling insurance. When I started 20 years ago, we were working direct mail, newspaper inserts, and my favorite, television leads. And nowadays, it's all digital marketing efforts, a little bit of TV, and the growth is there. People are looking for final expense, but today and age, people are searching for it in a lot different capacity, and it's just making it that much easier again to sell insurance over the telephone. But check this out. For all of you guys that have considered the insurance business, this is my take on it after 20 years of it. The number one thing is, not only do you get an advance, which is amazing, every time you make a sale, and that cash flow helps out tremendously, but also for every single policy that you write, you'll receive a residual component for the life of that policy. So with time, and you having thousands of applications of customers that pay every single month a premium for final expense, you get a thank you check from the insurance carrier, and it can be in the millions, in the thousands every single month. Yes, I said millions. There is individuals in America that make 7 figures a month just in renewals alone. How do you measure that? Again, insurance carriers traditionally have been profitable. That's just the bottom line. And final expense is just an incredible product to sell because it's easy to underwrite. The process is easy for the client, for you as the agent, and you get paid literally the moment in time that payment is made, you get paid. Plus, the lead system. Right now, we have a system of inbounds where you can plug in from anywhere you're at. I've had people over the years that lived in Spain, currently have people in Colombia, Mexico, Americans that just decided to live in other parts of the world. And guess what? They're plugging in every single day, taking calls, making sales, making dollars, and they're enjoying their life. You know, for some, you know, it's not all about the money. In fact, a lot of these guys, if you were to offer them $500,000 to go and run a call center for them, they would deny it. They would turn it down. They would say, hell no, because their freedom is not for sale. The price, there's no price for that. And for all you guys that are digital nomads, you know what that means. To be able to do things the way you want to do them, to work a schedule that you want. That's digital nomad. For me, I started my career as a door-knocking insurance agent, suit and tie, dressed to the nines. Every single day, that's what I wore to go to work and sell insurance, knocking on doors in the neighborhood. But, you know, it didn't take very long, besides the success, to get burned out. The traffic, the late nights, the weekends. And for me, I'm happy to say that since 2012, I have been a digital nomad living in rural Northern California, my hometown. In fact, in the county that I grew up, there's 80,000 people roughly. In my hometown, there's approximately 1,000 people, all great people. And I'm able to do what I love, sell insurance 100% virtually. And before, I would put 80,000 miles in my car to make the money I made. Today, I'm lucky if I've put 12,000 miles on my vehicle in the last 2 years, I would say. I think I've gotten more miles on my flight miles than my actual driving miles. Why? Because I'm able to work from my home office, selling insurance Monday through Friday, and enjoying a living by doing so. The best part about it has been truly the insurance renewals. Look, when I started, I was 25 years of age. I'm 47 years old now. And let me tell you what, with time, you start coming across problems where you can't work, not to mention setbacks, divorces, failures. But there's one consistent that I've always seen throughout the years, and that has been the insurance residuals. Rain or shine, if I had a good year or a bad year, that component came through for me and continues to come through for me. And you just can't measure that when you really sit back and think about it. So if you're a digital nomad, the licensing, you got to be licensed. It's not very difficult. This year alone, we've helped 2,500 students start their journey to become licensed agents, and you can do it too. I'll go ahead and post in the content section the link to our partners at Excel Solutions, and use our promo code VirtualFE, and you'll get a 50% discount. Most people that are serious about it obtain their license within a month. So think about what I'm saying. Check out more of my videos, learn more. But I'm confident that if you're in sales, you love the digital nomad life, final expense virtual sales can be a great opportunity for you as well as your teammates. Peace.